Hi students, today's our topic is the reduction of aldehydes and ketones using NaBH4 and AlIAlH4, sodium borohydride and lithium aluminum hydride. So we will see the topics now. So first thing you have to know, reduction is the opposite of oxidation. We have studied primary alcohols on oxidation you will get aldehyde. So an aldehyde on reduction you should get a primary alcohol, and a ketone on reduction you should get a secondary alcohol. If I say primary alcohol on oxidation, what you will write? You will write aldehyde. Secondary alcohol on oxidation, what we will get? Ketone. Here the opposite. Ketones on reduction will give you secondary alcohol. Aldehydes on reduction will give primary alcohol. Now we will see the reducing agent. Two reducing agents usually we use. One is sodium borohydride, or we call it as tetrahydroborate. Tetra means 4, hydro means we are mentioning hydrogen. Tetrahydroborate. Sodium tetra. Sodium is here. Sodium tetrahydroborate. That is another the correct name of. Simply we will say it as sodium borohydride. So better you know this name, sodium tetrahydroborate. And another reducing agent is lithium tetrahydroaluminate. Lithium, Li. Aluminum means Al. Tetra means again 4 and H hydro. So lithium tetrahydroaluminate, or simply we will say it as lithium tetrahydroaluminate, you can say, or we will say it as lithium aluminum hydride. In dry ether, ether is a compound that is ROR. The general formula of ether is ROR. So these two are the reducing agents. See, if you use any of the reducing agent, you will get the same product. You will just see the structure of lithium tetrahydroaluminate and sodium tetrahydroborate. You can see here Li plus and this whole thing minus, Na4 plus and whole thing minus. See, each of them have a coordinate covalent bond. We have studied what is coordinate covalent bond or dative bond using the lone pair on the hydride ion. Hydride means here H minus, which forms the bonds with Al and B. So you just have to know what type of bonding is there in the reducing agent, that is covalent bond. Coordinate covalent bond. We have studied coordinate covalent bond means when the shared pair of electron is given by only one of the reactant. Now we will go to our topic, that is reducing agent. We have studied NaBH4, LiAlH4. Now you can see in the last chapter, for oxidation we are using O in the bracket. That shows that oxidation. Now same like that, reduction we represent it with H inside the square bracket, because reduction means it is addition of hydrogen and removal of oxygen. So this square bracket inside H shows the reduction reaction. Now you can see here it's a ketone. Ketone on reduction, every time you should get a secondary alcohol. That means this CH3 and CH3, there will not be any change. Only change here, the carbonyl group will be changed to CHOH. You can see here CHOH. And you can write here NaBH4 and LiAlH4. So if you use any of the reducing agent, you will get the same answer. Now we will see here the same organic compound will whether you use lithium or sodium, you will get the same organic product you will get. Here the aldehyde we are using, reduction of an aldehyde, what happens? The CH3COH. So this CO is changed to what? a primary alcohol. So CHO, you can, if it is easy for you, if you change the whole CHO group into CH2OH, that means you will get a primary alcohol. So if you use sodium tetrahydroborate or lithium tetrahydroborate, if it is an alcohol aldehyde, you will get the primary alcohol. And if it is a ketone, you will get a secondary alcohol. Any ketone we can, if I say pentanone or pentanone 2, pentanone 2. So here pentanone 2 means the CO group will be changed to CHOH. And if I tell you butanol, butanol means the al, that is a CHO group, will change to CH2OH. So you will get the butanol, that is the primary alcohol. And try to solve these questions based on the topic. I hope this is clear for you. Thank you.